Hey guys, welcome back to my page. Today we got in our Westside Powersports hydraulic finger lever trim. There's our lever. So we're going to install this today on the 95. I got this PVC plastic pipe. I heated up the end really good and got it to mold to the nut for this trim setup. Makes it a lot easier. Now I previously had this pipe set up for the old, this end is set up for the old stock nut, which is not the same size as the new nut. So now I'm using this end. As you can see, I had a hole here that went all the way through for leverage to put a screwdriver through. So now I'm gonna have to drill another hole on this side, so it's a double-sided tool. But I think it's 1.25 inch plastic pipe. Pretty simple to do. Use your heat gun, heat up your end really well, get it real hot and moldy, so it moves and molds to the nut. Shove it on the nut and let it cure, let it harden, and you'll have a nice nut driver for your VTS nut. So I've actually made quite a few of these because I always end up losing them or misplacing them or giving them away with one of the skis I sell. So I always try to keep a few of these extras for that scenario. So I always have a few extras, but I think I'm down to my last one, so I'm gonna have to make some more. But pretty easy to do. Get yourself a 6-foot chunk of the PVC pipe, cut it into about, I don't know, maybe 1.5 feet or so length. Don't have to be super long. And then you need your drill bit and your heat gun. So just make these holes big enough to put a screwdriver through to give you some leverage when turning. Anyway, we're going to get this Westside Powersports trim installed today. I got to remove the old VTS, electric VTS unit, and we'll get this one installed, get the line ran, and get it bled. So stay tuned for an update on that. And a shout out to Nick Carnes at Westside Powersports at Wayzata. For anyone who is looking to get rid of their troublesome, faulty VTS, the electric VTS unit modules, and go with a manual one, this is the setup you want to get. So hopefully I can get this on and we can get this out in the lake and we can test it before the ski gets winterized. So stay tuned for more videos, and once I get this thing on, I'll give you another video and a preview of it. So like I said, it's pretty simple. Looks like it's pretty simple to install. Remove the old one, put this one in. I don't think there's anything that mounts this to there. It just sits in there, I guess. But we'll get it installed and we'll see how it works, and hopefully we'll be very happy with it. So thanks again, Nick Carnes, for this awesome product.